Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can refund items on Roblox. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to your settings and then click help and safety. And once you're here, you will just have to click help center and wait for it to load. And search for the keyword which is refund. So search that. And now that you're here, you will just have to click this. And then just scroll down a little until you see uh this, which is need more help, contact support here. So now that you're here, what you will have to do is fill out all these details. So make sure to enter your username, your first name, your email address, your confirmation email address. And then now what you will do is put you will enter the device on what that you are having the problem on. So after that, you will just have to uh indicate the type of help that you need. So you will just have to click billing and payments for that. And for the subcategory, you want to request a refund, which is right here. There's our keyword. And of course, you have to make sure to describe your issue so that you will be able to actually get your refund. And if approved, the Robux will be returned to your account. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.